Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add grain on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Edit Photo button at the upper side of the screen and select a picture from your gallery. You go to the fifth option, the Adjust, at the bottom of the page, and go to the grain option next to the tint button at the bottom of the screen. And here you can select the people or the background. And for example, you can select the people and just pile the line on the scale and you can set the grain of your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.